Welcome to Meiza Flavour Fiesta Season 2, a celebration of culinary creativity from across Nigeria. This year, talented cooks from all over the country showcased their skills, each vying for the grand prize of 200,000 naira. But in every competition, there can only be one winner. So who claimed the top spots? Let's meet our champions and discover the unique flavors and techniques that brought them victory.
Hello guys, my name is Ogechi and today I'm preparing Nigerian jollof.
Third place goes to Wonkena Ogechi Blessing from Ebonyi State, whose mastery of party jollof rice left a lasting impression with 15,000 likes and 2,600 views. Her total engagement stood at an impression of 17,755. Ogechi's winning recipe featured key ingredients like King's vegetable oil, King's cooking margarine, Gino Patty jollof tomato paste, North seasoning cube to create a flavorful masterpiece. Her dish wasn't just about taste, it was a celebration of the vibrant flavors that make Nigerian cuisine special. With these ingredients and her unique techniques, Ogechi claimed the third place prize of 50,000 naira.
Guess what? Today I'll be taking you on a journey on how to cook jollof rice.
Second place goes to Chisom Wonkwo from Anambra State, whose creative twist on everyday's recipe earned an impressive 45,000 likes, 11,000 views and a total engagement of 56,260. Chisom's cooking philosophy is all about balance and simplicity. Our winning dish featured flavorful staples like tiger thyme, lasso chicken seasoning powder, and the rich goodness of Gino tomato paste. She also used onga stew seasoning powder, nut cubes to create bold and crowd-pleasing flavors. Chisom's creativity and skill earned her the second place prize of 100,000 naira.
Hi guys, I want to prepare a yummy smoked fish jollof rice.
And finally, the grand prize of 200,000 naira goes to Onyinye Ekeogu from Rivers State, who wowed everyone with her bold flavors and culinary mastery with 50,000 likes, 6,812 views and a total engagement of 57,028. Onyinye claimed the top spots. Her secret to success? A perfect blend of trusted spice and seasoning like Mr. Chef salt, Mr. Chef stew spice, Tiger blended nutmeg and Terra seasoning cube. From Gino curry powder to Ama Wonder ginger and garlic powder, Onyinye crafted a dish bursting with layers of flavors. Onyinye's creativity, skill and attention to details made her stand out, and her well-deserved win is a true testament to her talents.
I'm the grand prize winner of the Meiza Flavour Fiesta Season 2. What inspired my participation was my love for cooking and the prize as well. The prize is mouth-watering and I love to cook a lot. I'm so happy and excited to emerge the grand prize winner. It wasn't easy, but I thank God that I'm the grand prize winner. My message for the organizers is to keep up the good work they are doing, and to future participants, follow MeizaNG on all social media platforms so you will get to know when the next contest is coming up.
Congratulations once again to our incredible winners, Wonkina Ogechi Blessing from Ebonyi State, Chisom Wonkwo from Anambra State, and Onyinye Ekeogu from Rivers State. This competition showcased some of the trusted and beloved kitchen brands trusted by our winners to deliver unbeatable taste and quality. Let's give a shout out to the brands that made it all possible. Do you love cooking inspirations like this? Subscribe to MeizaNG for amazing competitions and recipes. Be the first to know about our upcoming events and learn the secret to the best home-cooked meal and stand a chance to win amazing prizes. We also want to recognize the amazing effort of all our contestants. From creative twists on traditional dishes to bold new recipes, you all brought something unique to the table. Stay tuned to MeizaNG for exciting content. Until we meet next time, happy cooking.